Hello guys, this is Pawan Kumar, and in this video I will be showing you how to make an electric screwdriver. So let's get started. Let's get started. Items required: a 3.7 to 9 volt battery, few cable ties, two jumper wires, male to male or female to female, or simply male to female, two wires each. Let's check that the connections, they both connect tightly to each other. You need a wire cutter, you can use scissors also. You need push button switch, the small one, a glue gun, a BO motor about 60 to 100 rpm, and a screwdriver kit. Let's see the circuit diagram right now. Here is the circuit diagram. This is BO motor, this is a push button switch, jump male to male jumper wires, female to female, a 3.7 battery. Here is a BO motor. The are the two ends of the wire of the motor. Here is the screwdriver kit. As you can see here, this will fit inside the axis of the rotor of the motor. See if it doesn't stick properly, you can use glue gun to lock it up. Mine was fit and tight. This is your male jumper wire, which I have cut into half. The first half will attach to one end of the PO motor, like this, as you can see. The second end, this one, you have to attach a button switch, push button switch, one end of the button switch. Simply solder it up, and the other end of the button switch will be connected to another male jumper wire. That is the second half of the jumper wire. Simply solder it up somewhat like this. Half of the circuit diagram is complete, as you can see. Now 3.7 to 9 volt battery, you place it here and solder one end of the female jumper wire to one end of the battery and other to the other end of the battery. Simply solder it up to make the tight connections, and the second half of the circuit is completed now. After doing all this, you get this. Okay, let's see how it works. It is rotating in clockwise direction. I have glued it up the switch at its place where I can easily access the switch, and I use cable ties to lock the battery. See, the female is connected to the male part of the jumper, and the other also in the same way. Now check the it is rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise. See it rotating in anti-clock, so it is going to unscrew the screw. Let's check. Okay, here it's unscrewing the screw as you can see over here. Great work. Now to screw it back, what you need to do is simply change the connections, interchange the connections,
कनेक्शन करोगे
just like that. Simply interchange the connections in this way.
रुक जाओ पता कनेक्शन चलेगा कि नहीं बंद करो रुको
Now the motor will rotate in opposite direction. Now this time it is going to tighten up the screw as you can see, and it's all done. Okay, thank you for watching this video and please do like and subscribe.